Have you ever seen those insanely cool edits where text appears behind the person, just like the way you can see in this video? Almost like the magic, right? It makes video look professional, cinematic, and eye-catching. And guess what? You can do it as well. You got that right. Right now, you might think that looks way too advanced for me. But here's the truth. You don't need expensive softwares or years of experience. In fact, with just CapCut and a few simple tricks, you'll be creating this effect like a pro. Yes, imagine using the effect to make your videos stand out, whether it's for YouTube, TikTok, or even short films. People will start asking, how did you do that? And today I'm going to show you exactly how to do it step by step. We're on track to reach 100 subscribers in this channel. So do me a favor, hit that subscribe button if this is your first time on this channel. Like this video, drop comment on this video. Let me know what you think about this video. And of course, we'll try to improve and do more. Without further ado, let's get into it. First, launch CapCut, then import the clip you need to work on. The next thing to do is drag the clip to the timeline. When you do that, click on the clip on the timeline, then move your cursor to the top right corner of the page. Make sure video is selected, and then click remove BG. Now when you click remove BG, you will see an option called auto removal, though it's a pro version though. However, click on, when you do that, it will start processing if you have not done that before. So what this does is it completely removes the background of a video. After removing the background of the video, next drag the original clip again to the timeline. After you do that, move the clip that the background was removed, move it up so that the original clip appears behind it. Now the next thing to do, which is the final step, is to go to text on your CapCut, click on text, and then click the plus sign. It's going to add text. Then come over here and then edit the text. Make it whatever you want it to be. Let's say text behind image. Let's scroll down and then give it beautiful color. Just give it something better. When you do that, make sure you arrange the text in a way that it fits the clip on the timeline. Now, after you do that, now go to the top right of your screen and then click animation. So let's click typewriter so that it types. Then there's a button here called duration. It's 5 seconds. So let's increase it so that it's not too fast. Now, where you have the original clip and the clip that the background was removed, drag this text down and place it in between the two video clips. When you do that, this is how it's going to appear. Shift this one here. Let's play and then see how it appears. Perfect. So that is how to add text behind an image or a person on your video clip. If this is your first time, make sure to subscribe and like this video, share. That way you will support this channel to grow. See you in the next video.